It's publication day for T.J. Newman's Drowning, the Rescue of Flight 1421. Masterful suspense, The Washington Post.
I have no words of how good this book was.
Pulse pounding, Los Angeles Times.
When I tell you that this book was wonderful, it was so good. I was literally on the edge of my seat the entire time.
Edge of your seat thriller, Entertainment Weekly.
5 stars is not enough. Maybe 10?
Terrific. Drowning has at least a dozen legit cliffhangers and a dozen characters you can't stop rooting for. James Patterson.
I almost had a goddamn panic attack.
You will not be able to come up for air until the very last page. Brad Thor.
Absolutely heart-pounding.
Masterful, Patricia Cornwell.
High octane, energy. I mean, whoo!
Drowning reads like Apollo 13 underwater. Dawn Winslow.
I promise you, this is your summer reading, and you're going to want to slow down because you will devour this book.
Drowning, the Rescue of Flight 1421. On sale now.